I used to be one of the many people trading meme coins and scraping by on meager profits. However, I made a change. I found a method that allowed me to dev coins and make money consistently. If you watch this video, you will learn the simple steps that I have used to start generating some serious cash flow. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, now before we get to the live demonstration, there's just a couple of things that I wanted to go through which further prove how this method can really help you guys out. Take a look at this coin here. Look at this chart. Now, this is an interesting one because it's one of those things where I've realized some of the game is based on where you are in the world. Now, if you look here, over 1 day and 7 hours, this coin really had a transformation. It rocketed up right to the stars at 6 in the morning for me. But 6 in the morning for me might be midday for you, or might be 5 p.m. So some of this can depend on where you live. Now, I wouldn't have been awake at 6 in the morning, but, by the time I'd actually gotten up, maybe this coin would have rocketed up to the moon, or maybe it would have crashed to the ground. Now, if you want some frequently consistent good P&Ls like this guy here, you are going to need to start looking at devin as your way forward, okay? And that means we're going to use createcoin.fun. Now, this is a platform that I have discovered that allows you to launch your own coin without the need of coding knowledge. You do not need to know how to code. No coding is required. You just need a bit of Solana, a bit of time, and the ability to push some buttons, which I am sure you all know how to push buttons, otherwise you wouldn't be here, would you? Now, this platform is really simple and it's very accessible, and that's mainly because you don't have to code, which is fantastic, but also it's a very simple process, which we're going to get into in a bit. But first, we need to talk about markets, because the pump market is something that has, over recent years, has become very bloated, and every time you launch a coin on pump, you are competing with 10,000 brand new coins as well as the ones that are already uploaded. Whereas createcoin.fun uses a different platform, one with better market caps, one with less fees, and one with more room to grow because there are less people uploading. So we switch to dynamic on Axiom, and that gives us access to the Meteora market. Now, as you can see here, already the market caps are looking incredible. 631k here, 21 billion. I think that's actually the biggest coin I've seen so far. That's really impressive. So as you can see here, a lot of the coins that do make it through, they start really exploding and expanding because they've got room to grow. Now, back to create coins. So we are going to launch our own coin. First things first, we need to make sure we've got the right amount of money in our wallet, and that is going to be roughly $100 worth of Solana ready to go. And then we are going to connect our wallet. If it's already on your browser, it should detect it. So then you click connect wallet and click phantom. Now, normally what you would do on createcoin.fun is you would create your own coin, obviously. So, you can come up with a name, you can come up with a symbol, base it on a narrative, all that jazz, and then it probably goes nowhere, and then you've just got a fancy coin. But, we aren't going to do that. Instead, we are going to use the copy trending tab. Now, what this does is it scours the pump market and looks for the coins that are trending. So these are coins that are already doing really well, even in those, as we saw earlier, less than ideal market conditions, which means when we migrate them over to Meteora, they are near enough guaranteed to do quite well. So you can see here, you've got their names, you've got when they were last paired, and their potential market caps. Now, if they're on this list, that means that they're a good choice, especially for the length of time we're going to run these coins. But if you want to refresh, you can always do that and have a look at some of the other coins. It depends on how long you want to run these for. So if you want a longer running coin, might be worth picking a higher market cap. So, that's up to you. But to be honest, for me, I could pick any one of these coins. I might go for this 19 one here. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to click copy coin. So what this does is it creates a copy, obviously, but initially you're going to get this request blocked tab here. So you need to click proceed anyway. You need to click confirm, tick the box and hit confirm. This is a standard part of the process. I do this every single time. So don't fret. It will just allow you to create the coin if you click through all of those. Now, what we need to do is we've got our created token, but it's not live yet. We need to create a liquidity pool. And the way we do that is by putting a bit of the Solana that's in our wallet into the coin. And that's why we need that initial investment money there, okay? So what we've got here is a load of information. We've got the amount of tokens, etc., but we don't need to change any of that. The only thing we need to change is the amount of SOL. Now, I've experimented with a bunch of different numbers, but 0.2 seems to work for me the best, especially on these sort of quick turnaround coins that I like to use to generate that solid income very consistently. So 0.2 SOL is what I'd recommend if it's the first time you are starting. So we're going to confirm that transaction, and then in a few moments, our coin will be live. So here's our initial information about the coin. Again, there's the name, there's the pool, we've got the amount of SOL, we've got the the tokens and the estimated value, which is currently sitting at $15.33. Those numbers will change. Now, the lightning bolt button, this is a key and crucial part of this process to allow this to work, especially on the short term if you want that quick money, okay? This has to be done. So you pay 0.25 Sol and you get kicked up to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. This is fantastic because it means that a lot of bots that are set to auto-detect on trending coins will find our coin. So we can take advantage of the people who are using bots to do their trading. So let's hit that boost button and then that will get our coin rolling really quick, which once I've confirmed, we will have a look in Dex Screener and see how the coin performs. So there we are boosted now, and let's go to Dex Screener real quick. All right, so here we are at the very start. So you can see our coin is here and ready to go, number 19. Let's hope it goes higher than $19 because that would be a bit embarrassing, but I know it will. So as you can see already, our market cap is up to 2K, which is brilliant because most of the coins on pump don't even burst a K. So we're already doing better than all of those coins. Now, obviously, when I make these videos, I make money. So if you would like to be in with a chance of winning half of what I make in this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will put you in a prize draw to win half of the profits I make from this video. So anything above that initial $100. Okay, we're back to createcoin.fun, and now let's take a look at our updated estimated value. So give us a second here while this loads in. So I don't think the amount of time it takes to load has any bearing on how much the coin is increased in value, but it does seem to take longer sometimes. There we go, $975. So we've taken $15 and turned it into 975. That is fantastic. So we are going to pull all that liquidity, hit the minus button, pull 100%, confirm the transaction, and it's as easy as that, guys. The money has gone straight into my wallet. $100 has turned into $973, guys. That's the method. Get on it as soon as you can.